Jai Shri Krishna. This video is for Geeta Olympiad 2025. My name is Shobharani Darishi. I am now reciting Bhagavad Gita chapter 17, Saptadashodhyayah. Arjuna Uvacha Ye Shastravidhimutsrujya Yajante Shraddhayanvitaha Teshan Nishtha tu ka Krishna Sattvamaho Rajastamaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Trividha Bhavati Shraddha Dehinam Sasvabhavaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Chetitam Shruno Sattvanurupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata Shraddhamayoyam Purusho Yo Yachraddhah sa eva saha Yajante Satvika Devan Yaksharakshamsi Rajasaha Pretan Bhutaganansanye Yajante Tamasa Janaha Ashastravihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapo janaha Dambhahankara sanyuktak kamaraga balanvitaha Karshayantah sharirastan bhutagramamachetasah Manchayvantah sharirastan tan vidyasuranischayan Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyah Yajnastapastatha danan tesham vedamimam shrunu Ayusattva balarogya sukha priti vivardhanaha Rasya snigdha sthira hrudya ahara satvika priyaha Katvam lalavanatyushna thikshnaruksha vidahinah Ahara rajasashishtha dukkha shokamaya pradaha Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitam chayat Vuchishtam chamedhyam bhojanam tamasa priyam Aphalakankshi biryajno vidhidrushto yayijyate Yashtavyameveti manas samadhaya sasatvikaha Abhisandhaya tu palan dambhardhamapi chaiva yat Yijyate